What will happen in a drag race between a Lamborghini Urus S, Lamborghini Urus Performante and a Yianni Charalambos in
a Lamborghini Urus SE.
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 SE?
SE, that's how you say it.
It says SE on it?
It's SE.
Anyway, we're going to find out by racing them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson, that's Yianni, and he's got a speech impediment.
SE.
The Lamborghini Urus SE has a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 with an electric motor, a combined 800 horsepower and 950 Nm of torque, all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic gearbox with launch control. It weighs 2,500 kilograms and costs from £208,000. The Lamborghini Urus Performante has a 4-litre twin-turbo V8, 666 horsepower, 850 Nm of torque, all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic gearbox with launch control. It weighs 2,150 kilograms and also costs from £208,000. The Lamborghini Urus S also has a 4-litre twin-turbo V8, 666 horsepower, 850 Nm of torque, all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic gearbox with launch control. It weighs 2,200 kilograms and costs from £187,000. Now in theory, the way this race should play out is that the new hybrid should win, then the Performante, and this should be last. But things don't always play out as you think they will. Anyway, let's speak to the owner of the Perf, very purpley Perf, Tomi. Hey Tomi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you very much.
Are you in your favourite car?
My favourite SUV, I would say.
Very purple. Is that the paint scheme or is it? It's a wrap, isn't it?
No, it's a paint. It's called Viola Mithras, so it's like a pearlescent vibe.
I should have known that because the reflection's too good actually for a wrap.
I mean, unless it's
the Yianni wrap, which has good reflections as well.
Hey! This is the most colourful drag race I think you've done, you know. It looks nice.
I actually like this particular colour scheme as well. Yellow, got a yellow interior. Thanks to IX Rental and Zane for sorting this car out. I think this is going to be the quickest because it's a rental, but we'll find out. Yianni, your car in a beautiful blue. Tell me about your blue.
Hi Matt, hi Tommy. This is my new Avery Dennison vinyl. It's beautiful and it's out, should be out now depending on when this video comes out. And it's Lambo gang. This is my favourite race ever. Everyone's in a Lambo.
We're all in a Lambo, but it might turn out to not be your favourite race if your new car doesn't win.
I'll be honest, I don't even care. Listen, out of the three, my favourite is the Perf. And the SE is lovely and the S is lovely. So whatever happens, it's a win for Lamborghini.
Let's do a sound check. I'm going to rev up my basic, if you can call it such a thing, S, but here we go. I love how you don't have soft limiters in Lambos. I think there's some fake noise being played inside the cabin, but the exhaust sounds good, I can tell. Go on, Tommy. Is yours all standard, by the way? Yeah, standard. This is standard. Let's have a listen to the Performante. Yours sounds a bit better, doesn't it?
Yeah, the Performante came with Akrapovic exhaust as standard.
Ah, there you go. Right, let's have a listen to the hybrid. Have you got a soft limiter?
No. When you've got a Lambo, mate, nothing's ever soft.
Well, I think it goes Performante than this than the SE. I don't know, actually, the rumbles on the SE is better, isn't it?
SE's better.
The SE revs slower, maybe like a heavier flywheel.
Anyway, that's enough of that. Listen, if you're thinking about buying a car, maybe you want to use Lamborghini, you can buy used cars now through Carwow. So we sell new cars, used cars, and you can also sell your car through us as well. To do that, just click on the pop-out banner or scan the QR code on screen now to check out the latest offers or latest used cars. There's also a link in the description. Anyway, shall we get on with this race?
3, 2, 1.
Oh, the SE's ahead!
Go on, the SE!
You got a mega launch! Wow! The Perf is last.
Wow! I feel like I just broke my car.
Oh dear. Really? Well, let's just quickly hear you out, Tommy. What do you mean? What's wrong?
It jumped. Like, it launched and like, it's like the gearbox just broke. That's what I felt like.
Just accelerate down there, just without a launch, and see how it does. While it does that, Yianni, are you happy?
Mate, that was a nice launch. I'm really looking forward to knowing what the time was. That was nice.
Is your car broken, Tommy, or is it all fine to go again?
All good.
Let's go again.
3, 2, 1.
On a bit of a bog.
Again, what's going on?
What's going on with that Performante? The SE is always ahead.
Forward! I'm really disappointed in the perf though, because I love the perf. Yeah!
Wow, Yianni, another great launch. You did better there, Tommy, and you're coming back, but it's like you're bogged down a little bit.
Yeah, other Tommy said he thinks the gearbox is cold. That's why he's doing it, because it launches and then it stops, cuts power and then goes.
Do you know what, mate? Why don't you just go drive around for a while? Go drive around. Go on, let's all go drive around.
I don't need to drive around, mate. This car's flying now.
A few moments later.
3, 2, 1.
Again. Ah.
It's close, come on! Oh, is that perf? It's coming back! It's coming back a little bit, but... No, he's not gonna have me. Oh dear, it is what it is.
I feel like it's that piece of the road. Everywhere else it launches fine. As soon as it launches there, it goes, cuts power, you guys go, then it picks up.
Mine did that a little bit. Was yours just smooth, Yianni?
Yeah, it probably wasn't the best launch, but I just think Tommy's got that typical Lambo bog thing that's happening, whereas my car's not doing it. I think that split second is costing him, but I don't think he'd catch me anyway. And listen, I'm loving the SC now, the fact that it's done it so fast, but I do love the perf.
Well, best out of 3. Unfortunately, Tommy, you had your chance. Do you want to give him one last go, Yianni?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, it's Tommy. I love Tommy. I got you, Tommy. Come on, man, let's do it.
Shall we just say, whatever the result is of the next race is the decider, yeah?
Yeah, if it flops again, I'll just know it's not going to work.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, he's got no excuses this time.
Still bogging.
This is close.
Come on, Yessie! Go on, Yessie!
Here comes the puff. Here comes the puff. I can see what your car's doing, Tommy. Your launch is good, then it backs, and then you're behind, and then you're pulling me back in. Oh, it's frustrating, but there's nothing we can do about it.
I've tried everything, traction off, everything off. It goes, stops, then it starts picking up. But when it picks up, I'm reeling everyone in.
Certain Lamborghinis do that, don't they, Yianni?
Yeah, I noticed it with my perf. It used to bog slightly, and that split second would allow the other cars to get away. But this SE is performing on the money every single time, and it doesn't seem like you two are going to catch me.
Nope. This is the thing. So then what exactly happened? Well, the Urus SE won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 11.7 seconds. The S took 11.8 seconds, and the Performante was last with a time of 11.9 seconds.
Before our next race, a little message that could save you big time. If you're looking to buy a used car, bike or van anytime soon, then this is for you. We've partnered with our friends at Car Vertical to give you a special offer to check that it's not a write-off, stolen or had its mileage changed. Look at this Audi RS3 on Car Vertical. It's got green ticks for odometer and legal status, but a damage warning. Why? It was previously involved in an accident and was a Cat S write-off. You'd never have known that without a car history check. So when buying a used car, bike or van, run a Car Vertical report using code CARWOW for 20% off, or by following the link in the description. Now, back to the race.
Right, now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. The cars are in like their normal street mode, Strada, automatic mode through the gearbox. We're going to roll on from 50 to the half mile. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, now you want to work.
It's kicked down really well. Not as well as that. That is booting. Don't know what's happened to the SE.
Yeah, hybrid don't work in this.
Oh, look! Hello?
What are you doing?
Lots of pressure in the front tyre. Oh dear. What on earth happened, Tommy?
At the top of 4th, I just lost power.
I mean, that was nuts. Like, you just booted off. I heard you go, brrr, that V8 sounding awesome. And then I flew past you.
It was the weird, I was thinking, did I just break it? Weirdest sensation.
And Yianni, what was going on with yours?
I just think it's the hybrid. I don't think it's meant for speed when it's in hybrid mode.
Ah, interesting. Let's do it again, but take all that nonsense out of the equation. Let's go full on, Corsa mode, manual changes. Okay, let's do that.
You got a lovely smiley face in there, Matt, when you're looking around the car. That really suits you.
I really like this spec, actually. It's like full on, like, wasp spec.
If you could choose out the 3, what would you have, Matt?
Which one would I have? I don't know, really. I like it in yellow. I quite like this one. Although, Tommy's, yours is a more expensive paint, isn't it?
Yeah, this paint is £20,000.
I'll just have Tommy's then, thank you very much, even though it's playing up. Now, before we do the second rolling race, if you would like a performance SUV but can't quite stretch a Lamborghini Urus, I found a hot SUV through Carwow with a great offer on it. If you want to find out what the car is and the offer, click on the pop-out banner up there or scan the QR code on screen now. If not, stay here for this rolling race. Okay, everybody, manual mode, Corsa, same thing again. 3, 2, 1, go. I dropped like my balls. What is wrong with that perf?
What the hell is going on? Oh my god, it says using 80, but oh, now it says 90. Now it says 80.
What is going on with that perf? Something's not right with that car, man.
Tommy, you know when you said earlier, I think I might have broke my car? I think you might have broken your car.
It's done this before. I think it's hot because on the power percentage thing, it said it was only using 80% of the power at full throttle.
Right, do you know what your car's good for?
A brake test.
A brake test. If you'd rather watch another drag race with some Lamborghinis, click on the pop-out banner up there or scan the QR code on screen now. If not, stay here for the brake test. We're going to do it. Right then, guys, let's get straight into it. Come on, get level. Yay! The Performante performed in the brake test. There's nothing wrong with its brakes.
Just the powertrain.
Just the thing that makes it go. Yianni, your car's heavier than mine by quite a bit, yet you still beat me in the brake test.
This car has really come into its own. It's done really, really well today. I'm really pleased with it.
This has performed well, considering it's just the normal S. Yeah, love it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. Let us know which of these three you'd have. Would you pay the extra for the SE, or would you rather just have the Perf? Which would you rather have? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see how these cars' quarter mile times compared to everything else we've ever drag raced, then just click on the box to check out the carwow drag race leaderboard. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.